everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this watcharge, and what it is it's a single wire that I can use to charge multiple devices simultaneously, or just different ones at different times, whatever it is I want to do. So I'll show you here. This is what it looks like here. So let me open this up, and I'll explain it to you. So this is going to be great for when I travel, because I'm always forgetting wires and stuff, and I'm like, oh man, I didn't have the right wire. So look at this. So it has a USB-A or USB-C plug, so I could plug it into any nuggets. I could plug it into, oops, this one here is a USB-A, so I can plug it in that way. But then on the other end of it, I have my connector for my Apple Watch. I have the USB-C, which will work with my iPad or my if I get the new iPhone, and then this one here is the lightning cable. So let's give this thing a try. Let's plug it in. I'll plug it in. I have an outlet over here on the side. Let me see. Okay. Oops. Okay, so it's plugged in now, and let's give it a try and see if it works on our watch. Sorry, the wire isn't super long, but let's see if I put my watch on it. There we go. It's charging. And then if I go and plug in my iPad, let's see if it works on that one too. And there we go. Wow, it's 100% charged, but it is trying to do it, so it's trying to do both those at the same time. So that's pretty sweet, and I could probably plug in my phone too. I'm guessing if I have all three things plugged in, it wouldn't be ridiculously fast or anything, but it's gonna get it done. So if I plugged them in overnight, I'm sure by the time I woke up, it would be good. So this is perfect for travel and everything, so I can just sit there and charge all my stuff, and I have a wire for everything. It would also be great like in a car or something. So if you're going on road trips and stuff, so if somebody says, hey, do you have a wire for my phone, this phone, why don't watch, record, charge that, so you can do everything. So it's pretty sweet. So I like it. Totally thumbs up.